Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: the Samsung Health app not working on your device. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just not syncing your data, we've got you covered with easy, step-by-step fixes that are relevant for 2025. This guide is perfect if you're using the latest Samsung devices, and we'll keep things simple so you can get back to tracking your fitness goals in no time. Let's dive right in. First, start with the basics. Check for app updates. Open your Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, search for Samsung Health, and hit update if there's a new version available. Outdated apps often cause glitches, so this could be a quick fix. Next, restart your phone. It's an oldie but a goodie. Power off your device, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary bugs and refreshes your system. Now, let's clear the app's cache. Go to your phone's settings, tap on Apps, find Samsung Health, and select Storage. Hit Clear Cache, and if needed, clear data, but remember, clearing data will reset your app settings, so use it as a last resort for this step. Don't forget to check permissions. In Settings, go to Apps, select Samsung Health, and ensure it has access to things like location, storage, and health data. Sometimes, restricted permissions block the app from functioning properly. If that doesn't work, verify your device's compatibility. Make sure your Samsung phone is running the latest One UI version, as older software might not support the app fully in 2025. As a final step, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Samsung Health from your device, then download it fresh from the store. This often resolves deeper issues. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your Samsung Health app up and running. If these steps don't help, consider reaching out to Samsung support or checking online forums. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.